of their communities. I am a Uyghur, I am Rabia Kadir, and I am a Uyghur.
Struggling
Thank you.
people of Iran, brothers and sisters, I bring you greetings from the largest democracy on this planet, India. Your gathering here again, once again, is sending the message across the world that fighting people, their spirit shall remain till they win. They shall win. I don't think anything in the world can stop your struggle and your victory. I don't think any, when we get the messages of the kind of exploitation of women, when we get the messages of the way women are being, the acid is thrown, women are being, state directs rape against women, and the kind of torture that people are going through in the prisons of Iran, I think we really feel that there has to be global consciousness, awareness. We all have to stand by you to struggle and to fight to get the democracy and freedom in Iran. Till you get it, we are with you. You can and you must fight what is just. You can and you must fight what is just. And I think in your fight for the justice, it is very important for the global community, especially United Nations and US. I heard a lot of US senators speaking here, ex-senators, politicians. I think they have to really keep their promise to keep the people of the camp safe. When we heard about this whole, the big attack just a week back, I think there is something which is really very seriously going wrong when UN doesn't speak, when US doesn't speak, when all the people who were around you did not speak at the time when this attack was happening. So I think this is really important for globe to know that if there is peace and democracy in Iran, if there is civil liberty protected in Iran, if women are respected in Iran, then only there is going to be global peace. Otherwise, we can forget about the dream of global peace. So I really salute you. I salute you. And also I salute Madam Razavi for her courage of conviction to struggle, to fight for the rights of people of Iran. And all of you who are supporting her, I salute you for your struggle, and I'm sure the day is not far. Somebody said next year. I think day is not very far when you will win and walk free with head high and your spirit held high. Thank you very much.